and the laying of lines. Both Bravo Troop 5-5 training squadron have been deployed as an advance party. Their aim is to reopen the lines of communication by restoring roads and bridges and clearing mined areas. To your front, you will see an area marked as a minefield. This has been laid to hinder the progress of any forces attempting to reopen the route. To your left, you will see a partially completed bridge over a collapsed culvert. If you look to your right, you will see a small section of road that has been weakened by shell fire that requires upgrading before it can be trafficked.
Oh, get the ducks. Oh, look. I think that might be Ben down there. I think it's Ben? Yeah. Cool. Has he? I can't read that.
That's camel on the helmet, Mum.
I can't read it. I hope you're taking it.
I'm getting it.
Good, good, good.
Cool. 10.
Give a one man a carrot!
The enemy has been dealt with and the area is now secure. The section commanders quickly reorganised their sections and the troop deployed to its task. Commanded by Corporal Cooper, will carry out a minefield route. They will first uncover and mark mines Jones, Ray, Williams and Withering. To your front, you can see a minefield that the rebels have laid. These mines may be anti-personnel, anti-tank or a mixture of both. First, a reconnaissance of the minefield would be carried out. Then mine location parties will go to work. The mine location party consists of 6 men, commanded by a junior non-commissioned officer. The man in front is using a length of wire to identify any tripwires from ground level to above head height. The next 2 men will feel for mines laid on the surface and probe for buried mines. The 2 men at the rear will detect deep buried mines using an electronic mine detector. The team will clear a lane 2 meters wide and will be directed by the junior NCO in the centre. Once mines have been found, they are uncovered and marked with a white cone. Anti-personnel mines, if possible, can be disarmed and lifted. Once the team has completed a 50-metre section, other teams will take their place until the desired area has been cleared. For the purpose of this display, mine clearance has been speeded up considerably. In a real minefield, sappers are expected to clear a ground at the rate of 1 metre per minute. As with bridging, this task is often done in the face of the enemy. The tactical positioning of the minefield means that the enemy forces will be nearby and watching over the area. To your left is our protection. They are constructing a heavy girder overbridge, or H-GON. The bridge rests on the ground and is used to cross culverts or weakened sections of a road. As the name suggests, it is an extremely heavy piece of equipment and is normally built using a crane. However, as can be seen here, it can be built by hand if necessary. The bridge, once completed, can carry loads of up to 100 tons. If you look to your right, you will see Bravo section. They are upgrading a weakened section of road damaged by shellfire. The bridge that they are using is a 4-bay medium girder overbridge, or MGON, which will carry vehicles of up to 70 tons in weight. The bridge is broken down into components that can be delivered. The bridge is finally wrapped and decked to allow access of different types of vehicles. The complex engineering skills being demonstrated to you today are only a few that these sappers have learned during their training. Others include the use of hand and power tools and the use of cordage and steel wire rope. They learn basic artisan skills, including concreting, bricklaying and carpentry. These trades were employed on a project the troops carried out in the first few weeks of the course, where they refurbished a chemical warfare training facility and constructed a fortifications display area. Others used hand lines to pull the track pathway into its laid position. Now the bridges are completed and the minefield has been cleared, friendly forces now advance to the main area of operations. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes this part of the demonstration.